Let's face it, support agents don't have time to dig through messy tickets looking for names, dates, and addresses. This is where the Knott's AI Ticket Autofill app comes in. It can scan every Zendesk ticket the moment it's created to find and extract key information, like customer names, addresses, and dates, and neatly fills it into your ticket or user fields before an agent even sees it. This means faster resolution times, cleaner data, and a seamless experience for your team and your customers. It also works with unstructured messages and even integrates with your own GPT models, like Azure OpenAI or ChatGPT. With Knott's, support teams stop wasting time copying and pasting and start focusing on what they do best, solving problems. Now, let's talk about installing the AI Ticket Autofill app. In the Zendesk Marketplace, search for AI Ticket Autofill by Knott's. Once you've found it, click Install. The link is also noted below. Choose the Zendesk instance where you'd like to add the app. Make sure you're logged in with admin permissions. Next, you'll be asked to configure a few settings. You can rename the app if you'd like and set restrictions by role or group. Complete the installation by clicking on the Install button. Then, navigate to your Zendesk Agent workspace. To do that, click on the icon with the 4 squares, then choose Support. In the Agent workspace, you'll find the app icon on the left-hand side. If you don't see it right away, click the 3-dot menu to expand your app list. Click the Knott's AI Ticket Autofill icon to open the app. You'll be prompted to log in or create a new Knott's account. If you already have one, just sign in. Once logged in, you'll land in the Settings page. Click the Create New Trigger button to begin configuring your AI automation. Give your trigger a name that reflects its purpose. For example, Shipping Issue Autofill or Return Reason Classifier. You have the option to show the advanced configuration settings. If you enable it, you can customize where the app should search within the ticket. You can even choose multiple options from the drop-down list. Next, for easier control, reporting, and identification when the trigger runs, you can add a tag when the trigger starts and when it ends successfully. Then, you can create the rules for the app. You have to specify what terms you are searching for, like company name, order ID, email address, among others. While it is optional, it's good practice to also add an example of what you're looking for. Then, choose which field you want to autofill with the information you specified. You can even choose a custom field you've created here. For easier tracking, you can also add a tag when a search term is found. When you've entered all of the rules and its details, save the changes you've made. If you'd like to do more customization to your trigger, at the top of the app you can go to the Zendesk Trigger Configuration. Here, you can add more conditions when the trigger should run. If you make any changes to the Zendesk Trigger Configuration, make sure to click Save at the bottom of the Trigger Configuration page. Go back to the app and make sure to save any changes made. We're now ready to see how the AI Ticket Autofill app works. Here's a sample ticket that has customer and order details. The AI Ticket Autofill will automatically update the ticket fields with the information from the ticket. You will see here that the app will update the fields for order number, order date, customer name, and shipping address. Let me show you another common use case of our customers. Here, they use the AI Ticket Autofill app with another Knott's app called OCR for PDF and scan documents. If your customer sends you a PDF or an image of a document that your team has to open to get customer and order details, among other things, then you should see this. Using the OCR app, it converts the attached file into a text added as an internal note in the ticket. Once that's done, the AI Ticket Autofill will then go through the parsed text and updates the ticket fields based on the rules that was set. You can see that it's all happening in real time. It even knows the difference between the pickup address and the shipping address. It removes the manual work from your team and significantly improves the accuracy of the data captured because we eliminate human error. Your team can then focus on what they're good at, solving problems. This can also be done with other types of attachments like CSV, spreadsheet, and documents. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out at support@knotts.io.